In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a beautiful Instagram feed with Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan your grid. Lock in your brand style, create cohesive posts quickly, and export them so your feed looks polished and intentional. Start by planning your layout. Think of your feed as a larger canvas made up of individual squares. Choose a simple structure you can stick to, like a puzzle, style grid, or an alternating pattern where you switch between photos, quotes, and graphics. In Canva, create a new design using the Instagram post size, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Use grid previews or arrange multiple artboards to visualize several posts at once, so you can see how your first 9 or 12 designs work together. Place temporary placeholders for photos and text to map out rhythm and spacing. A consistent pattern helps your audience recognize your style at a glance and makes your grid feel intentional rather than random. Next, select your brand elements. Pick 3 to 5 colors that complement each other and 2 to 3 fonts that cover headings, subheadings, and body text. Add these to Canva's brand kit so your palette and typography are always a click away. Decide on recurring shapes or overlays to tie everything together, such as a subtle white circle with transparency behind titles, or a soft color block in one corner. Keep contrast in mind so text is always legible over images. Consistency here is what makes your feed cohesive without feeling repetitive. Now create your posts from templates. In Canva, search for Instagram feed and choose a template set that aligns with your layout. Customize each design by swapping images, editing text, and applying your brand colors and fonts from the brand kit. Replace default elements with your chosen overlays and shapes to reinforce your visual system. Duplicate a design and tweak it slightly, change an image, adjust a headline, or vary a background tint so you maintain a unified theme with natural variety. Keep spacing, alignment, and image treatments consistent across posts. If you apply a filter or adjust brightness on one photo, do the same across the set for a seamless look. When you are ready, download each design as a PNG for crisp, static posts. Do a quick grid preview to confirm everything lines up and the pattern reads clearly. Then schedule or post directly to Instagram from Canva so your sequence publishes in the right order. A few steady iterations of this process, and your feed will look curated, on brand, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching.